Alright, so the homie here asked if I could do a tutorial on how I apply oil to my stone molds to make them look shiny and not dull. Well, depending on what stone mold you buy, you may get a bottle of oil included inside. So if you do, that's great. If you don't, that's okay. I'll show you what I use personally to oil mine down with. So if you do get a bottle of oil, literally, you just put a few drops into each cavity here. Then get you a brush, get you a nice brush. Spread it out evenly. You don't want too much in here because it will make the baits look all runny. So you want enough, but not too much. And you know, you'll figure it out, trial and error, on how much oil you actually do need. I mean that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that on camera or not, but all nice, evenly spread out. But this stuff right here, this is what I personally use right here. Just some straight up cooking spray. Some cooking oil. I use this with all my molds. I've been doing it for months, if not almost a year now. This stuff right here works like a charm. It's cheap and it works great. You just spray a little bit. Again, nice brush. Spread it down evenly. And with the cooking spray, if you do a little too much, I just tap it down here. Just brush it down. Worst case, just get a cloth, clean it up, and reapply oil. Let me go ahead and shoot these molds and we'll take a look. Alright, so this one was with the oil provided. Let's take a look. Boom. Nice. Shiny. Doesn't look dull at all. Turned out pretty good. And with the cooking spray, nice, shiny. So right here, look, this is what I'm talking about, runny. You see how it looks super smooth? That's what I mean. So I got a little bit too much oil in this cavity right here. You know, so for the next batch, I would do a little less oil. So yeah, that's how I apply my oil to all my stone molds. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Thank you so much for the comment. If you like these bait making tips and tricks, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe for more.